Professional.
Interesting.
Enlightening.
It's a little boring.
That you have to have a science background to be in science journalism.
And journalism takes time.
I never knew the difference between disinformation and misinformation.
So I think journalism essentially is common sense, which is not very common.
Casey Kyari.
I think Prithviraj Chavan.
I think it was Chandra Chandra.
Prithviraj Chavan.
Mr. Ram Kumar, the MPC person who was in T.C. Saradagan's class.
The Delhi police commissioner.
Nine.
Ajay Mani.
Sanjay Sir, the police commissioner.
Dr. Ajay Sir.
Poonam Mahajan. Delhi CP, Poonam Mahajan and Chandra Chandra.
Every person has their own inherent style of writing.
Enjoy every moment of it. It ends very soon. I think it's story क्या है? Find a story in every event. That will be good.
Don't ever end any assignment with the last 4 lines which says, in my opinion.
Ask limited questions because we don't have time to ask that many.
Do join internship after the course and learn everything you get here. Everything means everything.
Learn the name of the speakers during the course.
And no question is stupid. Yeah.
I'd say don't wait till the last day to do the assignment, which is what I was doing.
If possible, prepare before the class what the subject is and who the speaker is going to ask good questions.
I think approach the course with an open mind and open to all sorts of learnings.
So I would say short. It's short and sweet, the course, and your assignments also make it short and sweet.
Success is basically jumping from failure to failure without losing enthusiasm. So give your best and never look back.
Everything is a learning experience from the course to the internship.
Research and then ask the questions to the speaker.
Don't ever try to juggle between when you are ending classes and doing some other activity because that's what I used to do and
Hashtag real stories.
Hashtag trust.
Hashtag stimulating.
Hashtag make Indian media great again.
Hashtag ethics.
Hashtag credibility.
Hashtag learning.
Hashtag maintaining ethics in journalism.
Hashtag true journalism.
Hashtag fact check.
Hashtag curious and questioning.
Hashtag subscribe to journalism.
Hashtag first person second draft.
Hashtags we cut the glitter.
Hashtag never say no to new learning. Many of us are older students here.
Hashtag weekends.